Not only are these 5 myths stopping you from having great style, but they're also hindering you from loving yourself and dressing your best for where you are in life today. I can guarantee you that you have thought or said at least 2 of these myths sometime during your lifetime. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. Let's bust these myths. Hello beautiful boss, I'm Tony, the personal stylist and founder of allthingstony.com, where I help women like you to discover, develop, and enhance your personal style. Today we'll be tackling the 5 myths that are stopping you from having great style. These myths have a huge effect on your style, and they're also toxic thoughts that can affect the way that you see yourself. There was a time that I believed a few of these myths, but once I learned that they're not true at all, my thought process changed. This changed the game for me in my journey of having a personal style that fits me perfectly. Learning that these myths are not true also, to my surprise, helped me gain a lot more confidence in myself. If you are ready to bust these myths, then stay tuned. Myth number 1 is, I don't have anything to wear. This is a big one, and I know that you, without a doubt, have told yourself this multiple times. You're getting ready to pick out your outfit for the day, or maybe you're going somewhere special. Either way, you go into your closet, a closet full of clothing, and somehow you've convinced yourself that you have nothing to wear. There is nothing that you could possibly put together. You need to go shopping. In fact, it seems like everything in your closet you either wore yesterday or last week, and so there's no way you could wear it again today. There's just nothing for you to choose from in your closet. Let me tell you something, that is a lie. Please stop telling yourself this lie. If there are clothes in your closet, then you have something to wear. But there are a few reasons why you might feel like you don't have anything to wear. Many times, people who say they have nothing to wear actually have plenty to wear. In fact, they have so much in their closet that they have decision overload. Decision overload is when you have too many items to choose from. Your brain is cluttered and confused, which makes it very difficult to make a decision. The first solution I want to share with you in order to counteract this myth of not having anything to wear is to first clean your closet. Go through your closet and remove any clothing that you no longer wear, anything that you don't love, and that way that'll take away from that clutter and you will have less things to look at when you go to make a decision on what to wear. So if you need help cleaning your closet, you want to know what things you should get rid of, how to go about closet cleanse. If you find closet cleanses just scary, then you are in luck, because below I'm leaving a link for you. I've already put together a video on how to do a whole closet cleanse, so no need to worry. Just click the link below after you're done watching this video. The second thing you should do is organize your closet to make it fun to choose from, almost like when you go shopping. When you go into a clothing store, they're usually very easy to shop from because they're organized and really cute, versus a store that's disorganized and just looks a mess. And if you're like me, then you hate going into stores that are disorganized, where things are all over the place, and just makes shopping confusing and way more difficult than it needs to be. In your closet is just the same. So when you have a clean, organized closet, it'll be easier for you to go in there and put outfits together, so you won't feel like you don't have anything to wear when you actually have plenty to wear. If there's nothing in your closet that you like, then you need to go ahead and schedule your discovery call so we can get you booked for your styling session. And if that is you, the link for that will be below as well. Let's move on to the next myth. Myth number 2 is, I need to lose weight so that I can fit into a size blank. Whatever that is for you. I know you've probably said this to yourself before. First of all, let me just say, your clothing size does not define you. Some of you are just obsessed with that sizing number. So I have worked in retail and I have witnessed this for myself. There have been women who have tried on a pair of jeans and they could fit perfectly. The jeans could just be the perfect size, perfect length, literally the perfect fit for them. But they won't buy it because of the size number. For some odd reason, they are stuck on whatever size they are used to buying, and that size is just not the size that they want to purchase, no matter how well it fits or not. I guarantee you, if I took that same pair of jeans and put on a smaller size number, they would buy it. Retailers know this because they use this tactic all the time. The sizes in retailer stores are not correct sizing standards. If you've ever created or sewed together a piece of clothing using a pattern, then you know how sizing works. So in retail sizing, I can fit between an 8 or a 10 for dresses and blouses and skirts and whatnot. And then for jeans, I wear between a 26 all the way up to a 29. So that's a huge range of sizes. My size can be different in one store and totally different in a different store. But when it comes to a sewing pattern, I usually buy them between sizes 16 and 18. That is a huge difference from the sizes that I buy in retail in the stores. We cannot let those sizing numbers dictate how we feel about ourselves. And we definitely do not need to let them stop us from getting something that fits us perfectly. It's okay to use those numbers to help you, find your size, whatever size that works best for you, but don't let those numbers be a rule or a max that you set for yourself. So myth number 3 is, if she can wear it, I can wear it. Maybe it's a friend or a celebrity wearing a new style or trend that's out, and you're thinking to yourself, well, if Kim Kardashian can wear it, then I can wear it too. Ladies, stop doing that. Please stop doing that to yourselves. Don't feel like you need to just throw your personal style out of the window to fit in with the trends or what celebrities are wearing. At the end of the day, you are you, and that is your best feature, you being who you are. Don't jeopardize your authenticity to fit in. So when we see other women wearing things and we just automatically assume that if they can wear it, you can wear it, you're basically comparing yourself to others, and that is not healthy. Don't get me wrong, it's completely okay to get inspiration from others, but you also have to remember that your body type, your personal style is completely different from anyone else. What works for them may not work for you, just like what works for you may not work for them. Once you've decided what your style is, stick to it. Chasing trends only makes you waste money in the long run. You're only liking that thing in the moment because you see someone else wearing it. Alright, now for the next myth. Myth number 4 is, I have no sense of style. This is not true for anyone, and it really does hurt my heart when I hear people say this. Everyone has their own sense of style. I think that the misconception here is that people equate having style with being trendy. Style is not about trends, but it's more so about your preferences. You may need help developing your style and discovering why you like the things that you like. But hey, that is what I am here for, to help you with those things. If you can look at 2 different items and say, I like this, but I don't like this, then you have a sense of style because you have a preference. You have a sense of style as long as you have a sense of who you are. So myth number 5, the 5th and final myth is, I cannot afford a personal stylist. Some of you assume that in order to hire a personal stylist, you have to be rich. This is 100% not true at all. Let me tell you, you do not have to be rich. I created my personal styling business wanting to work with and help everyday women. The average everyday woman is not rich or a celebrity. I believe that knowing your personal style and dressing with confidence is just as important as working with a personal trainer, going to get your hair and nails done, going to the spa, getting your facials and getting your waxes. It is just as important as all of those things that everyday women do. You have to wear clothing every day, so why not dress to best represent you and to feel amazing in your clothing every day? Alright, beautiful boss, those are the 5 myths that are stopping you from having great style. Now from today on, let's leave those myths in the past, and since we know better, we're going to do better. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the blog for freebies and updates on new posts. Have a lovely day.